Hi, I am Odeyemi Akinyemi. This is OTC market on IQ option. I'm using inbuilt indicators using the KDJ indicator and the CCI set to default. I also use them on the conventional forex market. They work so great. Okay. Now I took 2 trades here on 5 minutes expiration on Euro USD. What do I look out for? Look at the KDJ, the blue line has to cross over the two other lines and making a moon shape or an oblong shape. Look at it. You see the way it crosses? This is a moon shape. You know how moon looks like, okay? Or it forms an oblong shape. Just then, that is one. Then the other one, the CCI must have moved below the minus 100 line, which is the red line, meaning oversold. Then it will also cross the red line up, which means buying position. That was what I waited for, and I took my trade. In short, I took it 2 times intentionally. The first one was on the first candle that ended here in green, when it was about 1 minute to the end of the candle. I entered 5 minutes expiration. The second one, I entered it immediately the candle is opening. So I'm having just 26 seconds left for the first trade and about 1 minute left for the second trade. Now I am looking at AUD card. Here I'm looking at this for a possible sell. Look at the KDJ. Is the blue line is right above and has formed a moon shape. Look at it. It is already kissing the first trade. The first trade. One, waiting for the second trade to be in the morning, 50 seconds more. As I was saying, the KDJ already formed a moon shape. Then the second one, so as you can see here, the second trade has just been again. Now look at the KDJ on AUD card. You can agree with me, has already formed a moon shape. I'm only waiting for the blue to intersect and cross below the other two lines. And apart from that, look at the CCI line has gone above plus 100, which is the green line. I'm waiting for it also to cross down the green line below for possible sell. My Oyokometer is shining on this. My eyes are on this. Okay. So I'm going to take the trades. It's been very, very accurate. And if you have not signed up on IQ option, please, if you have not signed up for IQ option, kindly use my link. Kindly use my link below this video to register a free account. On IQ with a free 10,000 USD demo account. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Always come back. More tips on how to make regular and passive income trading binary option. You can message me on youngshoriza@gmail.com. goo.com. I am Odeyemi Akinyemi. Thanks for waiting. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting patiently for this. Okay, I'm waiting patiently for this. Okay, look, this is a moon shape, and this is the CCI that has gone up and is coming down via the green line for sell signal. Now look at this. We have already seen the green candle. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this candle to expire, possibly for the next candle to expire. I would have crossed and entered here, then the KDJ blue line would have bisected these two lines down. Okay, then I'm going to tell you how to set timing to 5 minutes expiration. Thanks for waiting. Once again, I am Odeyemi Akinyemi alias Captain Wells. Okay, now let's wait for it. A new candle opens now. Once this in the next 1 minute a new candle opens, let's wait. This was the one trade. Look at how it intersected the blue line here. This place formed a moon shape. The blue line intersected down here, but the CCI never got up. Okay, but the trade was still won here. But the one I took here, I allowed it to go down. It went down, it came up, and there was an intersection. Then I traded this, and you can see it was one. Okay, so let's wait for a new candle opens now. Look at it has opened. So if this new candle ends in green, I mean in red, then the CCI blue line would have entered into this green arena. If it ends in red, then you have an upper hand to trade. Okay, otherwise you don't gamble. I'm going to wait. I am to sell. You can see it ends in green, so I'm going to wait. So I'm going to set my expiration to 5 minutes. Look at the CCI. The CCI has entered the green line. You can see it. Then look at the KDJ. The KDJ has also crossed down. You can see it vividly. Now it's time, because look at the expiration here. This is 5:20, which means in the next 18 seconds now, 17, 16 seconds, a new candle will open. So click on this last time here. Okay, as the new candle is opening, I'm going to fire, as in G3. As the new candle is opening, you will trade. So now you see here is 4 minutes. It means this candle is now in 4 minutes. Whenever the candle here is written 4, okay, then you come to this your time here, and you will see here. So whenever this place now gets to 5:20 something, just click on it. Make sure that make sure that as the new candle is opening, make sure look at it here. Don't mix it up. 5 minutes expiration, 5:09. Click on it, just 7 more seconds. Then I'm going to trade. Now that is it. You can see it actually crossed. Okay, it has crossed. And look at this. More times you will enter exactly at when this candle is forming and when it is crossing down. You will enter and it pays so that it will not reverse against you. 2 trades already won. This is the third trade. Let's see how it goes. I'm waiting for this line on CCI to get below this red line and for the KDJ to form a moon shape and cross up. I don't trade there. This is look at the KDJ, how it is together. No good signal, okay? Let's just wait for it. Once again, Odeyemi, I can't miss my name.